Hello, in this video I am with the Astro A30 gaming headset and I'm going to show you how you can plug microphone to this headset. So this microphone you will find in your box, and to plug it you have to grab your headset and select this input. So as you can see, we have to plug it like that. And after that, you will hear the notification sound inside your headset. So yeah, that's how it looks. You just have to basically plug it to the left headset. And that's how you can do this. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.